Yesterday's selling was not a severe threat that the uptrend was over, because notice how the Dow could not close back below the T line. Today they opened it and took it positive. This was after a very strong reversal signal, our morning star signal, and a doji sandwich that took us up through the T line, which would imply there was more upside. Yesterday was just merely profit taking. The Nasdaq yesterday sold off, but again the stochastics were not anywhere near the overbought condition, and the prospect for still getting up to the 50-day moving average was likely. Today, note what the Nasdaq did. It gapped up above the previous day's open and traded positive, which is essentially what we call a trend kicker signal, which also implies there's going to be more upside. So we want to see what they do again when they test the 50-day moving average. And knowing that the uptrend was still in progress still allows for big profits to be made in patterns like the fry pan bottom pattern and our recommendation on Ross stores, because if as long as there isn't any major change of investor sentiment, meaning major change of investor sentiment in the markets, a fry pan bottom is still going to work very effectively. The same scenario is seen in our recommendation on TJ Maxx, which also is doing a big fry pan bottom. What do we expect coming out this other side? A big, huge price move. And our other patterns, such as the J-hook type pattern, or notice our left-right combo off the 50-day moving average in our recommendation on AMBA, that we expect this to come back up to the top of the trend channel, producing a very good, strong price move. So as long as we can analyze the trends of the markets in general, and then extrapolate that to very strong charts in individual stocks, it basically puts having the probabilities in your favor constantly in your portfolio. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.